I'm Bill Liss at the 11 Alive Help Desk. 22 hours in line to get a copy of a ticket that's not even yours. It even led to the suspension of a driver's license. It shouldn't happen to anyone. It's a violation of your rights, and the help desk is on it.
It's a different driver's license number than mine.
It came as quite a shock to Keith Davenport when a police officer told him his driver's license had been suspended. He went to the Dekalb County Recorders Court 5 times, waiting 22 hours to try to get copies of the tickets so he could prove it was mistaken identity.
They assumed that it was me, even though I could show them that clearly it wasn't. They just assumed it was me, and they said that initially they said I would actually have to pay the bond in order to see a judge and be heard.
Davenport was at wit's end.
I couldn't see a judge. I couldn't schedule a hearing. I couldn't get on the court docket or anything.
And you had no license?
I had no license.
By due process,
we immediately contacted DeKalb County for answers. And we also contacted a Metro Atlanta attorney, Tom Salata.
He's entitled to due process like any other citizen. This is a simple matter that could have been resolved. And all citizens of the state of Georgia, in fact, it's the mission of the Recorders Court to give justice to everybody. If he's wrongly accused, it should be taken up with the court administrator or the chief clerk right then and there. You shouldn't have to wait 22 hours in line for something like this.
Davenport didn't give up. He wanted his license back.
He kept his cool, he had patience, and he kept talking and he kept protesting until he eventually got his way.
He finally got the release to get his license back. It's now up to the court to go after the real Keith Davenport. But what about others facing the same issues?
What we need to know now is what the policy is going forward from this day forward.
The Recorders Court says the court is willing to review any and all claims of identity theft upon presentation of documents to support said claims. The court assures us they'll make every effort to supply them in a timely manner. One thing you can't avoid when you go to the court, and that's the line. But one thing you certainly can't avoid is having to go back a second, a third, or a fourth time to get what you're entitled to. From the Help Desk, I'm Bill Liss.